Hi guys, it's Chris Martin, the Hemp Chef with Convicted Creations, and I have a special episode of our show today. I'm here with Harvey Bloodstone, an artist, the partner and creator of Cardiac Leatherworks. Harvey.
Hi, Chris.
Welcome.
Thanks for having me.
So great to see you again. It's been a while.
It has.
I'm super excited to get to food, but first I'd like to talk about a little bit about your artwork. Could you show us what we're looking at here?
Sure. Well, in art, before I went to prison, I didn't know anything about art. I don't know if I still do or not, but I got into it pretty heavy in there, and I started making a lot of sculptures.
Now this is toilet paper, right? This
is-
looks like bone
yeah.
that you see here. This is made from toilet paper. Just so you know, cardboard
Yep.
sewn with trash bags that look like thread.
Yep. It's toilet paper, denture adhesive, mixed together, and it forms a very solid bond. And a lot of sculptures like that.
If you want to learn more about his artwork, go to cardiacleatherworks.com. You can check out any of their stuff on their website. We're going to get to some Chinese food. This is Harvey's recipe. Tell us what we've got here, Harvey. What are we doing today?
There's a ton of different versions of this. This one's my favorite. It's called Prison Chinese.
So how do we get started? What do I need to get going?
First things first, we're gonna go with the rice. This is called a stinger. This little piece of metal right here, you plug it in, it boils. That's the only thing it does. So we're gonna get some water going with here, add the rice. While the rice is going, we're gonna go.
It also doubles as a lighter. Just so you know, they break these things and turn them into lighters.
Yes, it does. And
didn't
tattoo
hear
needle
it from us.
sterilizer.
Right. So we've got hot water. We're gonna put it in the rice, yeah?
Yep. Go ahead and put the rice in.
Just a little bit in there, yeah?
Perfect.
Then we're gonna take it and heat it.
Get a little nuke.
Oh look, we've got caramel sauce. That's awesome. It's not that old, I promise.
All right, well that's cooking. If I can get you, we're gonna caramelize this sausage here.
Anything with the word caramel in it has to be good, right?
So we're gonna use some pre-sweetened, and it can be any drink mix, but I like cherry Kool-Aid. Some people use sweetened tea mix or other Kool-Aid flavors.
Tea is my favorite.
It's gonna go ahead and
Good
just
choice.
give that a nice glaze.
The rice. Caramelizing
All right.
now.
While that's glazing, we're gonna go ahead and start with the sauce here. The sauce is very simple. It's gonna be soy sauce. By the time the rice is done, this stuff's usually pretty close to done.
Sounds like sausage is doing its job.
So we want to use this whole bottle here.
Oh my. I wish camera had smell-o-vision.
That looks
because
great.
Kool-Aid and sausage together, that smells like heaven.
Sure does. Now we're gonna make the sauce. It's gonna be, we poured a whole bottle of soy sauce there. We're gonna add some Kool-Aid, quite a
Man,
bit
you can't
here.
get enough Kool-Aid.
Here is where the pre-diabetes comes in.
I think I got it just watching.
Yeah.
So everyone on the run is really wound up on Kool-Aid after
Oh yeah, this is gonna get you jazzed up. This is gonna make you crash hard.
You could probably dye your t-shirts with
Yeah,
that stuff.
if you eat this at the right time, it'll make you sleep through the night. we want to heat that up a little bit. We want to turn it
Gotcha.
into like a type of syrup.
Perfect.
Okay. Well, that's gone. We've got the meat here. How's that rice looking?
Rice is looking pretty good, I think.
All right. I like to add a little jalapeno juice to the rice. Spice things up. Jalapenos. Sorry about that.
My crone says thank you.
We're going
Yum.
to give that a good stir there.
Always got to have the spice with the sweet. That sweet and savory and spice all go together so well.
Let's go ahead and dish me up a bowl of that.
This will be our base.
This will be our base.
Beautiful.
So we're going to utilize the food bucket. The food bucket is a very important part of prison cuisine. Must have the food bucket. It is contraband. Coffee containers work, whatever you can get your hands on in there. So this is going to be our base right here. We're going to take the sausage, the pork rinds, and once that sauce is done, we're going to dump that in there. I like it real porky.
Pork it.
I like it porky. Now these add a nice
Didn't you know
little-
pork rinds and jalapenos were Chinese?
I did not.
Nothing says
I learned
Chinese.
I learned a lot of things in prison. That I
Pork
didn't know.
rinds, jalapenos, and sausage.
The best food group. Beautiful.
Got a nice little bubble going, a little thicker than this. Pour it on in, all of
Yeah,
it.
go ahead and dump it in.
There we go. All right. Break it down a little
I'll
bit.
break it down a little bit more here. Go ahead, and we're just gonna plop it right on the rice.
There's your topping.
There's your topping.
Look
Boom.
at that.
You want to sprinkle some peanuts and we got some spicy jalapeno pretzel pieces here. Yeah, for a little extra kick.
That looks great. Thank you, Harvey.
You're welcome.
Just like I remember. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Appreciate you coming in today. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Convicted Creations. If you'd like to learn more about Harvey and his artwork, please go to cardiacleatherworks.com. If you'd like to learn more about these recipes or any of our artwork or gear, go to my website, thechrismartinstory.com, or check me out on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you can find us. Until next time, thank you again.